Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. In today's video we are going to explain the topic pie chart. This pie chart is explained by this circle. This circle is representing a day. A day, the time spent by a children during a day, in which a children is sleeping 8 hours, schooling 6 hours, playing 3 hours, homework 4 hours and other activities 3 hours. So the whole day is divided in this much sectors. This is one sector, this is the first sector. Here the whole day is equal to, a day is having 24 hours and these 24 hours are divided in 8, 6, 3, 3 and 4. So in fraction, how we convert this into fraction? It is 8 upon 24 for the sleep. It is 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So it is 1 upon 3. It is the fraction for sleep. Similarly, for the school timing, it is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So it is 1 by 4. It is in the fraction form. For the homework, it is 4 upon. Now for the homework, it is 4 upon 24. 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. So it is 1 by 6 in the fraction form. And similarly for others activities and playing, it is, now for playing it is 3 upon 24 is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So it is 1 upon 8. And it is also 1 upon 8 for others activities. So a whole day is now converted into the fraction form. According to the situation, the circle is divided in so many sectors. This is the one sector for sleeping, this is the second sector for schooling, this is another sector for the homework. So in a pie chart, so many circles, so many sectors are there. The combination of sectors is also known as circle graph. CIRCLE GRAPH, circle graph. Now our next topic is drawing a pie. Suppose the data is given in the percentage form. Suppose the first data, the first part of data is 50%. Then in this case, how we calculate, how we draw the circle? This circle we draw with any radius. Any radius we can take and draw the circle. Then after we solve this 50%, we convert this 50% into fraction part. How we convert? We are taking like this 50 and this percent, it is upon 100. So it is 0 is cancelled with this 0, 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So it is 1 by 2. So easily we can understand it is 1 by 2, it means half of the circle. So we can draw like this. It is 50%. Suppose the next data is given 25%. Then how we convert it? 25 upon 100%, means upon 100. It is 25 1s are 25 and 25 4s are 100. So it is 1 upon 4th. So from this part we can draw like this. So now it is 50%, or we can say it is 1 by 2, and it is 25%, or we can say it is 1 by 4th. Similarly, this part is, it is also 1 by 4, or we can say 25%. So in percent form we draw the pie chart like this. Suppose the data is given in percentage form. Suppose it is 50% and we solve 50% as a 50 upon 100. It is 1 by 2. Now it is in fraction form. How we draw here? So we are taking this circle as a whole, and we know a circle is equal to 360 degree. The measurement of a circle is 360 degree. So 1 by 2 of 360 degree is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 360 degree. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 0s are 0. So it is 180 degree. and with the help of protractor we can draw here the angle of, so it is 180 degree. 180 degree, it means it is the angle of 180 degree and it is a straight line, or we can say straight angle. So we draw like this with the help of protractor.